Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, I would like to share how are we going to do update, update your record, using Dreamweaver. Alright, so this is the previous file that I have created before. Okay, that is table student. Okay, we displayed all the record in table student, and the file name is display underscore student.php. And also in previous video, I have shared the steps to create the insert record set, okay, where we can do the insert a new record into a table using this wizard form. Okay, now in order to create a new process for update the file or update the record, okay, first thing you need to create a new PHP file, a new blank PHP file. So file, new, okay, and then choose PHP, create. Okay, this is a new blank PHP file. Alright, and name the file. Okay, you have to save the file. Okay, name the file as update underscore student dot php. Okay, just before this we have display student, so now is update student dot php, and then click save. So now you can see at the file navigator down here, we already have update student. Okay, update student dot php. So now, okay, you need to go to your data tab panel, okay, and then try to find the icon for update record. Okay, click on the small arrow button there, choose record update form wizard. Okay, so this is the list of instructions you need to follow. Make sure you have create your site, choose the document type, and then set up your testing server. Okay, in my case, all the first, second, and third step I have done it, and now I have to create a record set. Okay, so this record set will be doing for updating a record. Okay, so now rename the record set rs underscore update student. Okay, I name it as rs record set. Okay, rs underscore update student, and then the connection, the db connection is my project db connection. Okay, my project db connection, and the table should be table student because I'm going to update student records. Okay, then it will list all the column or attributes in table student. So I want to update all records, so I choose all, or you can choose if you want to select, if you want to update only certain record, you can choose selected attribute. Okay, so in my case I would choose all. Okay, to add the filter down here, you need to choose student ID. That means, okay, once you choose student ID, the URL parameter would be student ID. This is because we are going to create a new record set, okay, based on the student ID or the student record that we have selected. So that's why we choose to filter student ID, so we can test. Okay, you can test. Okay, let's say I key in the student ID 222 and then click OK. So it will display only record Aminah, which is the student ID 222 to be updated later. So click OK and then click OK. So finish about setting up the update record set, and then you click OK. Now you are going to set up the record update form. Okay, so the Dreamweaver is working for you. Okay, so the connection is my project dbcon. Okay, table to be update. Table to update should be table student. Okay, choose the table you want to update. In my case, we would like to choose table student, and then select record from the rs update student. Okay, we have created the record set in in previous steps. Okay, rs update student. So the unit key would be student ID. So after updating, go to which file? Okay, so after the update process, I want the browser to display or to publish the display student file where you can see the table. So I want to go to display student. Okay, display student file, and then click OK. So that means after the dreamweaver have do updating, it will display this page, display student.php. Okay, the file that we have created before. Alright. Okay, and then label student ID text. Okay, and then that's all for record update form, and click OK. Okay, here is it, the form where the dreamweaver have created for you, where you can update the file. Okay, but the student ID or the primary key cannot be updated. Okay, you only can update the name and the rest of the attribute, but not the primary key. Okay, so now you save your file. Okay, save your update student.php. Now go back to the first page just now. Okay, display student.php. Okay, you need to insert a column where you put a link to each row. The activity you want to do, either you want to delete or any option. So you click somewhere up here. Okay, you right click. Okay, again, put your cursor up here and then right click, then go to right click, table, choose insert column. Okay, we are going to insert a new column, a new blank column. Okay, so there is it. Okay, expand the column so that you can see. Okay, I want a new column to be on the right. Okay, so I just change the location of the program code, select and drag it into the column. Okay, now the new blank column, name it as the label, let's say option. Okay, so here is you put update. Okay, you put the label as update. Alright. Okay, and make it center. Alright. Okay, so now you need to put a hyperlink so that when we click the update here, it will go to the next page, that is update_student.php. So you must select the update, okay, the word update, and then go to the below panel at the properties panel. Okay, find the link. Okay, there is a link. Okay, click on the folder here. That means you want to choose, if you put a hyperlink, where to go, where to display or link the file. So click the folder. Okay, and then choose update student. Okay, the file that we have created for updating student record set. Alright, so choose update student and then click. Okay, before that, okay, choose update student, and at the parameter, okay, at the parameter here, you click at that parameter. Okay, here for the name, okay, you type in student, the primary key name, student ID, and at the value, click at the value and click this lightning icon. Okay, so you choose, okay, the record set display student, choose student ID to be the record set or reference attributes. Okay, and then click OK, and then click OK, and click OK again. Okay, now you can see the update label here has been be a hyperlink. Okay, so now you click save. Alright, so we are going to publish the file. Preview in Chrome. Okay, here is it. Okay, let's say I want to update record Ali. Okay, so I click the update link here. So now the next page, okay, is update.php. Okay, update student.php here. Okay, update student.php will display a record for Ali. Okay, let's say I want to update the name Ali bin Osman, and the address would be Ipoh, Perak. So then I click update. Okay, it will again display the first page just now, display student. Okay, Ali bin Osman, Ipoh, Perak. Okay, you have done the update. Okay, so that's all the step for you to update record in Dreamweaver. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.